Hi, and welcome to the beginning of the 50K trading challenge. As promised from my previous video, I have purchased the 50,000 trading challenge from TradersEco. The link is in the description below, and I've already set up my chart. It comprises of 4 moving average, the RSI, and the PEP signal. These 4 moving average are 2150, 214 plus the RSI. It has about, I use basically about 6 zones of the RSI, but that's not within the scope of this course. So before we jump right into our trading strategy and setting up our trade, be sure to follow me on my Telegram channel where you get access to all my signals and trades for free, and you make profit alongside with me or use it for your confluence. Plus, you can also request anything or ask any question you may need where I respond to you personally. So that being said, we'll now jump right into my trading strategy and plan I have designed towards passing this challenge. Take the trade. What I do now, this is GBP USD. Since I got a signal here, okay, this is another the 50,000 trading challenge that I like to take right away. So what I'll do now is click my order. I want to enter right away at this point because I believe the market has reached its peak. And here I'm looking at starting with 0.5 from our analysis, and I'm targeting 75 pips. Using instant execution. Basically 75 pips would be 1.19 1.19527 thereabout. So I need to be able to adjust rescale so that I'm also doing 75 pips stop loss, so which is what I have here. So I'll set it 1.21017. 1.21017. So this is I just want to execute my trade immediately. So it has been executed. I'm targeting 75 pips, 5 pips. So to get this right, this would be, I want to readjust. 75 pips would give me, okay, accept. You can see it's my first trade on the 50,000 challenge. I'll accept it. Now I need 75 pips. This should 75 pips. So there you go. Alternative, what you want to do to get the actual point, you to know the click to get the actual price, which is 0.20225. 0.22. Calculator. I'm using my calculator. So I'm taking the denominator part here just to get it right. 0.20225. Let me put 20225. Sorry. 20225. This is the decimal point. So I want to minus 75 pips equals to 750 points. Okay. So I'll have 19475. So to set that, I would just simply edit my order. This is the order. My take profit would be, to get the exact, 190.19. Let's see, 19475. 475. Okay. In order to get my exact 75 pips, that's what I'm going to do. Now to get my 75 pips loss type, I'll also do 2020. That's the price. 20. 20225 plus 750. That would give me 20975. You can see the pep signal has popped up telling me it's time to sell, perfect time for sell. So I'm going to put this now, 20975. Okay guys, this is it. So I think I have edited this to the best of my knowledge. You can see the price is still going up. Set another order at this point, which is called the stack trading. This is example of stack trading. This is 75 pips. I'm setting another one here. And don't forget, you have to read the rules. I'm supposed to use martingale. Since I'm using 0.5 here, I'll use 1. But then the reason I'm not using martingale here is at this point is because I'm overlapping these two trades. And the TraderCentra, where I take the challenge from, prohibit the use of martingale strategy. That's the reason why I will be trading using the same lot size while the current trade is still on. So I'm entering at this point 1.20861, 20861. Then my take profit. Remember, my first position I'm targeting 75 pips take profit and 75 pips loss. Lost. So this time around, I'm targeting 100 pips using the same size and trading towards the same direction. So 100 pips of this would give me 19,861 as my take profit. Then my stop loss will be 21,861 using the same lot size. So guys, you can see this is how I do my trade. So this is my second here. So we are going to watch basically and see how it turns out. If the first trade got stopped out, the second would be triggered, and I'm definitely sure that one would get a take profit for me, which will eventually cover the loss of the previous one. So this is 100 pips. This is 100 pips. Why this is 75 pips. So let's see how it turns out. So guys, today is Friday. We'll see whatever the result may bring on Monday. That's all there is to it. If the two hit the loss, then I start all over again. But for the most part, this strategy is very effective, particularly when you enter after the PEP signal has displayed, and you are definitely secure that one of these would close in profit. The third, in the event of eventuality, I want to go for the third. I'm interested in going for stake. I don't think I am interested in that. So that's all there is to it. To set the third trade, I would want to put it immediately after the stop loss of this and triple my value. So at this point, I will be going for 1.5 as against the 0.5 I've been trading. So, but then I'll be careful that it does not come in between, otherwise it will violate the rule that has been placed. So what I'll do in this case now would be, I'll set another one. Here, this I'll put 1.5 coming as my third stack. If these two hit, loss will start coming down, but in which I really doubt it does not happen. It happens maybe 1 out of 50 trades where the market just hit all my losses or the 3 position, 1 out of 50 trades. I'm sure this would pan out. So what I'll do here, I'll set my position here at 1.21922. Then my take profit, I will go for 100 pips. Take profit would be 1.20922, targeting 100 pips. So basically, you can simply get the pips by using the crosshair and drawing down. 100 pips is equals to 1,000 points. Okay, they're about to get the estimated value. So I'm used to this because of the fact that I've been doing this for a long time, so I understand the difference. And so moving on, my stop loss here would be 22.922. There you go. Now guys, okay, there you go guys. This is how I basically set my trade position on, and so these are my 3 position set. I'm going to leave it and let it play out. Should anyone give me profit, closing profit, I will close the rest pending trades that are open and look for other opportunity. I'm on the 4 hours time frame right now. You can see still on the downward trend, but with the help of the PEP signal, I'm able to read all of that time frame even without checking it out. This has been telling me that it's downward trend. So guys, I'm going to let this play out. I'll let you see the result, as I promised to take you all along. And remember, I set about 3 positions from here, and this I have done by calculating the rules. Okay, the rules for challenge and the 50 daily loss. I choose the daily loss. You can either choose the daily loss or positive day, which means you must close the day in 50% of your trade in positive. I rather choose minimum daily loss here. You can see the 50% challenge here. You can see the target is 8%. Drawdown limit is 10%. Minimum trading day is 5. Rules, 5% positive days or 5% daily loss limit. I chose the 5% daily loss limit. Therefore, 5% of the $50,000 that I'm trading is $2,500, which is $2,500. So basically, that's what I factor when setting my trade. This first position, which is 75 pips on the GBP USD, um, um, only is risking about $250, while the other one is risking $500, while the 1.5 is risking $1,500. Together in total, that would give me $2,250, which is still below the 5% daily drawdown. So what that means is that peradventure, if all the trades get closed out, I still would be within the rules, okay, rather than blowing my account out. To learn basically how to calculate this effectively, make sure you follow my Telegram channel and in particular my YouTube channel, which is below. So guys, this is it. I would update you on the next trade, how it turns out. If the result close in profit or in loss, I will update you in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next